expenditure in accounting terms. Let us understand it by solving a question. Suppose a question is given that an expenditure is a revenue expenditure because there are different options given. The options are whether it is intended to benefit the future period, whether it is intended to benefit the current period, the amount involved is small, or the amount involved is large. To answer this question, let us first understand the concept of expenditure. Expenditure in accounting terms is when it should derive a benefit. The first point is that a benefit should be derived to the company or the firm which does expenditure. Second is that there should be an outflow of cash. This is the second important part that has to be understood. In accounting terms, there are two types of expenditure, namely revenue and capital expenditure. Now let us understand revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure is where the benefit is derived in the current period, whether your accounting period is from January to December or from April to March. That the benefit should be derived in the current period and it is booked in the profit and loss account. It is booked on the expenditure of the profit and loss account. Second is, based on this learning, let us solve this question by analyzing each option. In the first option, it is given that the benefit is intended for future period. In the revenue expenditure, the benefit should be derived in the current period. Therefore, this option is wrong. If the benefit is intended for the future period, it will be treated as an asset and will be shown in the balance sheet. For example, a rent paid in advance will be shown as a prepaid rent under the asset section because the rent is paid in advance. Second, this is the correct option as the benefit is derived in the current period. Let us take in the same example that rent is paid for the current month. For option C and D, the value is a secondary factor. The length of economic gain is always an important consideration. That means here we will basically be understanding whether the benefit has been derived in the current period or whether it is in the staggered period or whether it's in the future period. The sum is not the sum. The amount that is been incurred doesn't make much of a difference until and unless we understand the concept of materiality, where we will not be using this. I hope you have understood this concept, and if you want to solve different types of question in accounting, you can just mail me in the given below mail ID.